In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop emails going to junk in Outlook. This is a common frustration for anyone using Outlook, whether it's for work, personal use, or managing multiple accounts. Sometimes important emails from clients, colleagues, or subscriptions end up in your junk folder and you miss them completely. The good news is, there's a simple fix that takes less than a minute. By adding trusted senders to your safe list, you can make sure their emails always land in your inbox where they belong. This works for both individual email addresses and entire domains, so you can whitelist a whole company at once if needed. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook in your browser or desktop app. In the top right corner, you'll see a gear icon. Click on it to open the settings menu. From the drop-down that appears, click on View All Outlook Settings. This will open the full settings panel, where you can customize how Outlook works. Next, click on Mail from the left sidebar. This section controls all your email preferences, including filters, rules, and junk email settings. Now, click on Junk Email. This is where Outlook manages what gets marked as spam and what doesn't. Under the section labeled Safe Senders and Domains, click the Add button. A text field will appear where you can type in the email address or domain you want to whitelist. If you want to allow emails from a specific person, type their full email address, like john@example.com. If you want to allow all emails from a company or organization, just type the domain, like example.com. This will let through any email sent from that domain. Once you've entered the address or domain, click Save at the bottom of the settings panel. Outlook will now treat emails from that sender as safe and deliver them straight to your inbox instead of junk. And that's it. You've successfully stopped emails from going to junk in Outlook by adding them to your safe senders list. This is a quick and effective way to make sure you never miss important messages again. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.